Hey, it's Mark and welcome to another episode here at Big Man in the Woods, your online scout leader, helping you become a better scout leader. Now in this one, we're talking about the scout uniform. We've been talking about it quite a lot over social media recently about the changes of the uniform, when are they going to change the scout uniform, the youth uniform, that kind of thing. And it got me thinking, what do you expect your scouts to arrive at a scout night? So I know some scout groups in my district are very strict and traditional, that they want scouts to come in their uniform, the necker, trousers, smart shoes, school shoes, that kind of thing. And other groups, a bit like myself, are a bit more relaxed. But we are a youth organization that wears a uniform, and I think that we should be proud to wear our uniform. But in my group, what we do is we mainly get the scouts to keep their uniforms for formal occasions, where it's parades, Remembrance Sunday, or if we're investing or something. But most of the time when the scouts come, we just want them to come to scouts. So whether they come in their uniform and a scarf, awesome. We've got a group hoodie that they can wear with a scarf, or just a t-shirt with the scarf, or necker, whatever you want to call it. Necker, scarf. There's a video up here all about the difference between a scarf and a necker. But I think what I'm trying to say is, it doesn't really matter when they come to the scout group, does it? As long as they attend and they have fun, even if they wear their uniform, whatever. So I get asked this a lot, what do I do in my group? And here's what we do. The scouts arrive in uniform, okay? That's their shirt, their necker, trousers, and a belt. Black trousers and black trainers or shoes. Normally they're school shoes. But underneath their uniform, they have a t-shirt, yeah? So they arrive, we do flag break, inspection to make sure the uniform's looking nice and they've sewn those badges on or whatever. And then we tell them to go and get changed. They take the shirt off and underneath they've got a t-shirt. And that means that the uniform doesn't get messed up if we're doing whatever activity. They don't rip it or gets mucky when we're doing fire lighting or pioneering or that kind of thing. But like I say, I know other scout groups that are very traditional, very strict, that they must arrive in iron shirt or whatever. But I think we need to be a bit more relaxed. Yeah, that's the way we run my section. You know, the scouts know when to arrive in full uniform. We tell them. But I think we're not like school, are we? You know, we need to just be a bit more relaxed and just go with the flow. But yeah, I agree with everyone. We are a uniformed organization and there's a time and a place to wear a uniform. But guys, we need to chill. There are more things to worry about out in the big world other than scouting, and we're scouts wear uniform. And just think, at the moment, you know, there are some people that are struggling to get food on the table, and then we're demanding that the scouts wear their shirt, where they can't really afford to buy a shirt. And that's, you know, that's another subject about whether the group can, you know, we've got second-hand uniforms here, we can give them that. There's the hardship fund, that kind of thing, but that's another subject. All I'm saying is, guys, there's much more things to worry about than if a scout rocks up in a uniform. But what I do expect my scouts to do every single week is wear their scarf, ironed, cleaned, not chewed on, rolled nicely, and wear that with pride when they come to scouts. That's all I kind of really want my scouts to do. Just turn up every week and enjoy scouting rather than worrying about if they're wearing a uniform. Maybe that's just my opinion. What's your opinion, guys? Let me know. Do you expect your scouts to arrive in full uniform every week? Are you allowed to, are they allowed to get changed? Or do they have to wear the uniform throughout the whole of the night? Or are you even more relaxed and let them just rock up in a hoodie and turn up to scouts? There's 1,000,001 ways we do scouting, isn't it? And that's what I really, really love about scouts, is there's just not one fixed way of doing these things. Comment below. I'd love to know what you expect your scouts to do when they arrive at the scout hall. Uniform, hoodie, I don't know. Let me know. And don't forget, subscribe to Big Man in the Woods. Click that notification bell and YouTube will tell you every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you next time over here on Big Man in the Woods. Take care, guys, and happy camping!